In this video, you will learn how to insert rows and columns in Excel. Let's begin by learning how to insert a single row. Suppose there's a need to add a new row right below row 2. To do this, simply click on the number of the row directly beneath where you want the new one. In this case, that would be row 3. With row 3 selected, right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, choose Insert. Just like that, an empty row has been added as row 3 beneath row 2. This straightforward method allows for quick adjustments without disrupting your existing data. Now, what if multiple rows are needed? It's easy to do efficiently. Start by clicking on the first row below where you want to insert additional rows, again using our example, that would be row 3. Press and hold down the left mouse button while dragging downward through however many rows you wish to add. You'll notice the selected rows will highlight in green. Once you have highlighted your desired number of rows, right-click on any of these selected rows and click Insert from the context menu. Excel will now add empty rows above your selection. This feature is particularly useful when making large-scale changes quickly. Next up is inserting columns. Imagine there's a need for an additional column between columns A and B. To accomplish this, click directly on the header of column B. Right-click anywhere within column B's header area and select Insert from the drop-down options. In no time at all, an empty column has been created as column B. To insert multiple columns simultaneously is just as straightforward. Let's say we want to add 5 new columns between columns A and B. Start by selecting column B by clicking its letter at the top. Next, hold down your left mouse button while dragging over from B towards F, selecting all 5 columns together until they are highlighted in green. With these 5 columns selected now, simply right-click anywhere within this highlighted section and choose Insert from your options. These newly created empty columns will appear immediately before your selection. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.